Alright mga boss, samahan nyo nga ako sa mga highlights na laban ni Manny Pacquiao na nagpasikat sa kanya sa mundo ng boxing. At heto nga mga boss, si Hatton, Miguel Cotto de la Hoya, Cloty and Marquez, and also Miguel Cotto.
It's a guy that's come up from 106, and he's a legitimate welterweight power puncher here.
And he nailed him with the right hand. He's all over right now. Off the curve. Pacquiao pouring the Pacquiao's moving up to De La Hoya. As I say that, Pacquiao pouring the pressure on him. This might be the miraculous finish of the career of Oscar De La Hoya. Pacquiao really laid the execution.
And we've seen De La Hoya again in the ropes of the sanctuary.
Don't miss with this guy. The polished lightweight downstairs. And look at Pacquiao. To the end of the 8th round. He knows he's 35. It's all over.
At heto mga boss, ang magandang pagkakama ni Manny Pacquiao. Ang kapugian lang naman ito ni Hatton ay sumubsob sa lona.
If he beats the count, he'll get the 60-second rest. And he needs it. Tonight he's saved by the bell. Remember that one fails to surprise me with what he brings to the table. It's always a little better than I thought.
At ang susunod naman mga boss ay si Miguel Cotto. Mukhang Cotto lang talaga mga boss. Dahil pinisa lang naman ni Manny Pacquiao itong si Miguel Cotto sa taas ng lona.
And he can switch because he's a natural side. Oh, nice movement from Cotto to avoid that shot. Combination puts him down. He's hurt this time. And making adjustments and doing what he has to do for him. Oh, he got hit flush. Flush on the left hand. And that's the champion to turn things around. And then now he's wobbled badly and holding on. Puerto Rican's crowd has gone silent. Staying combinations and takedowns. And also the knockouts for Manny Pacquiao. When will it end?
At ang susunod naman mga boss ay itong si Cloty na mukhang kapre. Saka itiman ito mga boss ay umitim lalo ang kanyang sikod dahil sa kakasuntok ni Manny Pacquiao.
Just took another second for the belt. The timing in the second, step on the handle in the third. The combo was really something from Pacquiao. Shots are just.
That's exactly what I was thinking. What I thought is that I hope they didn't count on his.
Not even vicious. The Pacquiao was always working ahead of him, and now it explodes. And still.
At ang kasunod naman mga boss ay itong si Margarito. At binugbog lang ito ni Manny Pacquiao. At talaga naman mga boss na ang pagmumukha nito ay talagang pisang-pisan.
It's pretty nasty right now.
I remember I said after 4 he's going to stop busting him up. He's already started it in the
Burrito has done nothing to take advantage of his height, his reach.
Look at him blocking him on the elbow. He comes with the uppercut. He catches it with his hands.
This absolute clinic that he's putting on right here.
And that eye is
Beating
bad.
Margarito off, and Margarito now in retreat.
He might be ready to drop
He
it.
could be.
Oh, and another beautiful shot from Manny
It
Pacquiao.
was an uppercut.
Look at this.
Pacquiao.
Margarito has a hard time seeing.
He's not seeing to the right side at all.
At yan na nga mga boss ang laban ng ating idolo na si Manny Pacquiao. Alright!